How to change Red Dead Redemption 2 language. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to any of the website and then move into the site of Steam. But if you have downloaded the application, simply open it, enter your login credentials, and then make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in this page, head over to Library at the top left corner of the screen. It will lead you to this page. Now at the left hand side of the screen, the option of Red Dead Redemption 2 will be available to you. Simply click on it. Different options will be visible to you. Head over to Manage. This interface will pop up on your screen. You will be able to see the option of language. Right now you can see the language is set to English. Click on it. Now you will be able to see tons of different languages. From them, you have to choose any of the specific language that you would like to change. Simply click on the language and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change Red Dead Redemption 2 language. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.